The following demonstration will highlight a new beta content development tool which will allow you to create a chatbot 60% quicker.
All right, so here we are at the AI Automate login screen. I'm going to click the login button, and we're under the Q&A projects. And what you see here already is an existing bot, which I will go into a little bit later. I want to now create a brand new bot. So we simply click on the Create Bot. We're going to name it the HAK bot, which are my initials. We're just going to label this as a demo. The XYZ Corp. We'll submit that. We see that that has been saved. I'm going under settings just to click a button over here. And now we're ready to start the bot development process. We're going to go to the Q&A designer where we're going to create new Q&A for the HAK bot. So here you see a very simple user interface, chatbot dialog, user input, etc. So we'll click here to add the welcome message. Hello, welcome to our site. How may we help you? We'll save that and we'll go to the user dialog. I need some help. And we're going to add a couple of different ways that people might phrase that question. I require assistance. I would like customer support. We're going to save that. We'll be adding more later. Now I'm going to continue to the next flow in the conversation. And the next page will always show you the last input by the user or customer, so they need some help. And the chatbot, what seems to be the trouble? And we're going to save that, save it over here. And now we're going to move to the developer projects. And we're going to go into the HAK bot under the edit key again. Here you will be seeing a slightly different user interface. We'll go back into the Q&A designer. You'll see the content that we've already added. You're also going to see buttons and modals. So these will allow you to add the rich media features, links to videos, documents, what have you. That we're going to go down here and we're going to now add more paraphrasing or more ways that people might possibly ask for help. In the days past, it would be up to the developer's imagination to add more. Now we're able to add simply a few here, select them all, and have a computer algorithm generate more. So for each one that I have here, 4 additional ones will have been created by the algorithm. So we're going to save all those. And now we're going to go over to the keyword section because the keyword really equals the intent. And what's important about building a bot with the artificial intelligence markup language is not that you have every possible way a person might phrase a question, but that you have the keywords which will be relevant to the intent of the query. So here we have all of the different paraphrases. We're going to now click on generate keywords, and the system will extract the keywords that will be used to make the bot. So we can scroll down here, see lots of repeats, and the system will now trigger us to eliminate the duplicates because there's no sense in having duplicate files. Now we've added another feature here called the synonym tab, and all the keywords are all listed here. We're going to select those, and now we're going to generate synonyms. And we know that the word help could be said in I need help, I need support, I need aid. So this helps make the bot more well-rounded. And you're going to see lots of words that come up. And if we zero in on some of these, they may not be relevant to the context. But some of these words may be actually very useful. While we may not use them today, for someone for whom English is not their first language, they may have learned English 20 years ago, so they may use words that are no longer in the lexicon, and that will be captured here. So effectively what's happening now is the bot or the program is actually making lots of little set files. And for those words that were not relevant to the context, they will just never be triggered. And this will not slow down the bot speed at all. A bot should still respond within about 1/3 of a second. So now we're going to deploy the bot to Pandora Bots. And what it's going to do now is it's going to take all that information that we have put in and create files. And then it's going to be creating the underlying artificial intelligence markup language so that the bot can work properly. And now it's committing the bot. And now we're able to go to the test feature. And we'll click on Pandora Bots. And here we'll go over here.
Hello, welcome to our site. How may we help you?
I need some help, please.
What seems to be the trouble?
So you can see how easy that was to create that bot in just a few moments. I would now like to move over to this bot called Jarvis. This was made by a woman who had no prior experience whatsoever. And in 2 days, she made a really amazing bot that has lots of capabilities. And you can look in here and we can see all of the different user inputs that she's added. We have this amazing flow view that will really give you a much better perception of the conversation and really how complicated conversations can actually become. So here you can see that this conversation goes off into many different branches. Conversation is like a tree with lots of branches. So the beauty of this tool is not only that it gives you a great visualization of the flow, but it also gives you the ability to go in here and edit. Anything in blue is the bot, anything in gray is the user. So we're able to zero in on this. And if we wanted to change this, or we caught a typo, we can simply click on it and we're taken to that particular path in the bot where we could then click here and then edit that content. And the same would be true for being able to click on the button and edit the user dialogue. So there are many other features that are available here.
My name is Harry Kunze, and I'm the sales manager at Pandora Bots. Please contact me at harry@pandorabots.com to schedule a call or select a date from my calendar. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from you.